What's up, Matt from Archfab here. This is Dan's creation, the Gambit, Ford Popular 103E. What's that? What have you put in there?
Had a bit of an off on the way down with that, sir. That's not very bad.
Beetle floor pan. We'll have a proper look when we get it out in the light. So this has been, the whole bottom of the body's been cut off.
8 inches.
8 inches. So that's why it sits so low. So today we are just going to be doing some wiring. We're going to fit this, which is like a fuse box and switch. This is from Auxbeam. They sent me this a while back. It's normally used for like having loads of different lights on a 4x4, but we're going to use it as the running system for the car, because there's not much on the car that it needs. So got this little digital switch panel, and this is you can connect this to your phone to program everything. You can have these so that the momentary switch, flashing switch, or a toggle switch. You can have that in the cab, and then we're going to put this little fuse board under here. You've got a little circuit breaker, main circuit breaker there, and looks like it even comes with a free screwdriver. And that's your little fuse board. So got 8 circuits on there, which is just enough, isn't it?
Yeah, indicators, lights. Don't forget the neons, my friend.
Neons.
Neons.
Have you got neons on it now?
No.
No. Something for later.
Something for later. Yeah. Don't need too much on the day.
So yeah, just got to wire up some lights. Everything else is currently working already, so I think it's just some lights and a couple of extra wires. And then we're going to take it for a little cruise. The doors are welded shut, so this is how you get in. You just climb in through the roof. Aircon. Windscreen folds out when it's hot. Right, so we've got this bolted in place and sort of roughly wired in. We're just going through and connecting some stuff up. Got the little keypad working, so at the minute we've got stuff as it should be. The indicators are currently strobe lights, so got to work out how to change it, but this is pretty simple. How you can you press this one twice, it flashes, and then as you press the button, when it changes from green, red or blue, that's pulsed, momentary or toggle, and then you just press that to set it. So it's pretty easy. So we're just going to make sure we got everything working as it should be, and then go back through and tidy all this up. The horn is ridiculously loud, so just deafened ourselves with that. And this little panel's going to sit up in there like that. Yeah.
Ignition on.
Yeah.
Start.
Wiper
Wipers.
right there.
don't rate it, it's quite loud.
Yeah.
Left indicator,
Yeah.
right indicator.
They're both going.
Hazards.
Yeah. That's just left.
That's right.
What? Right, oh, right, sorry, yeah. My left. Right indicator, yeah. Left rear, yeah.
Hazards. Nothing. Brake lights.
Yeah, brake lights.
Side lights.
Yeah.
Brake lights.
Yeah. Sorted.
Ridiculous.
That's all connected in. Just needs wrapping, the loom wrapping up, a bit of tidying up. So we're going to take her up the road now.
Does look cool, my man.
Thanks again, Auxbeam, for sending out this little switch panel to use. As I said before, these are normally used for controlling banks of different lights on 4x4 trucks, but it worked out pretty well using it for this as a complete control system for the car. There's also an app you can use on your phone to control everything that the pad does. I'll add a little video of that in now. If you're interested in one of these fuse panels, then I'll put all the details in the description box.
Stop. So ignition on, red light comes on, start. go. Cutters is just swipe across. You can change the pulse and so on.
Yeah, now everyone's going to know it's a trailer queen. Like.
Grandfather's got to go out. It's definitely a trailer queen. You see me on, mate, yeah?
On the button. That way a little bit. Yeah. Straight. That's a tighter fit than my trailer.
Oh, she's tight. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah. So what did you think of the Ford Pop / Beetle rat rod? I'm sure there'll be very split opinions on that. At the end of the day, they're just a bit of fun. I quite like the artistic-y sort of side of the rat rod scene. Also, you can scare the shit out of yourself, and you only have to go like 40 miles an hour. I'm not sure we even got close to 40 miles an hour, and I felt like I was fairly close to death. If you haven't seen the video of the Ford Pop rat rod that I built, I'll put a link to that in the description if you're into that sort of thing. I'll also put a link to that little Auxbeam fuse box switch panel. As I said, those are generally used for switching lights on 4x4 trucks, but it seems to do the trick pretty well for something like that. So, been a little while since I've done a raffle for any welding gear. So, I've just been down seeing my good mate Rob at Extreme Welding Supplies and picked up some stuff to raffle off. So this is a Parweld XTM 201 Di. I did one of these before, the multi-process with the TIG built in. This is a MIG and just DC TIG you can do with it, but it's got the same really simple interface, really easy to use if you're just getting into welding or you've never welded before. Not to say that you couldn't use it if you're an experienced welder as well. But just the simplicity of the setup makes it good for a beginner. I've actually used this. I did a bit of welding on that rat rod with this just to try it out. I've been trying out a few of the machines from Extreme just to see what's what. I didn't use the torch because I wanted to keep that looking new for whoever gets it, but this has got the so you can make fine adjustments on your torch to control your voltage and wire feed and all that kind of stuff. So it's It's a pretty cool bit of kit. So if you want to try and win that, it's going to be £3.50 for a ticket. All the details will be in the description, but I use a registered company that do all the raffles, so that way everybody knows it's fair. So this one is UK only. I know that a lot of you guys want to do it and you're not in the UK, so I've also got a welding helmet. This one can go anywhere in the world. This is £1 if you want to try and win that. £1 a ticket. This is a GYS helmet, and I have tried this helmet out only for about 5 minutes, and I was impressed with it. Got a really big true colour viewing screen, very clear, nice soft headgear, very comfortable helmet, and quite a cool looking helmet. Very similar to the Viking that I've raffled off before. I'll also chuck in some other stuff with this, Birchpad t-shirts, some stickers, mug or something, just any other little things I can throw in with that. I'll chuck in with that, and that can go anywhere in the world for £1. So if you want to try and win either of those, all the details are in the description box, and any profits that I make from doing these raffles just go straight into my Going Mini Racing fund. If raffles aren't your thing and you're just looking to get yourself some welding equipment, then go check out Extreme Welding Supplies. He's on the Innsworth Trading Estate in Gloucester, but he can post all this stuff anywhere to you. So if you need any welding gear, give Rob a shout and he will sort you out. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.